Hi, my name is Daniel, and what you've just witnessed is not the end. It was the turning point of my life. Being an IT manager, I used to spend my working hours sitting at my desk. And what's even worse, I had an unhealthy diet, did no exercise, and never really cared about what could happen. But all that led to a dangerous, life-threatening outcome. My health was deteriorating, and I wasn't even aware. Until last year. I was diagnosed with hepatic steatosis, also known as fatty liver disease, FLD. It's a result of abnormal metabolism and excess calories and fat absorbed from food transported to the liver and ultimately stored in the liver as fat. My FLD was in stage 3 already. For those of you who don't know, stage 4 is cirrhosis. I was also told that I had dyslipidemia and my cholesterol levels were too high. It was devastating. The extra kilos that I had put on were costing me my health. At the time, I felt that my whole life was slipping out of my hands and I couldn't do anything about it. My obesity put me on the verge of losing everything. Doctors told me that I'll have to be on medication for the rest of my life. And with that news, at just 35, it seemed like my life was over. I was getting paranoid, stressing over the unknown, or should I say, the inevitable. But thanks to a doctor who helped me overcome that phase of panic and fear, the doctor encouraged me to do the right thing. Burn fat and lose weight, especially the belly fat, which kept the underlying organs from working properly. So I decided to step into the impossible. In the past, I had followed diets that were too unrealistic and all I lost was time and thousands of dollars. But then finally, I started what I should have done a lot earlier. Research. I spent countless days and nights online, going through discussions, forums, books, consultations with nutritionists and doctors. This all led me to the creation of my own miracle remedy. The best part was, this remedy actually worked like a miracle. I lost 37 pounds in just 40 days. I couldn't believe my eyes when I looked at myself in the mirror. My cholesterol levels were back to normal, and my fatty liver was now down to stage 1. I had realized this was a life-changing remedy. So after a 1-month break, I used it again for 2 weeks. Lost more weight, and my liver was finally healthy, just like a normal, healthy person. The remedy was wonderful because not only did I lose weight, I was in better health than all my friends. The truth is, I used the remedy to save my health, but I was over the moon seeing my perfect body in the mirror. That remedy was like a package. With the perfect health, I got a perfect body absolutely free. Since I took it, I never had a cough, cold, or flu again, even in winters when my colleagues all fell sick from the flu and the cold. They all just went to town on this remedy. The ones who didn't have weight to lose or were never really sick in the first place used it as a detox and immunity booster, and they were totally amazed by looking at themselves in the mirror. They were genuinely happy, all because of using this amazing miracle remedy. So are you ready to know the secret to stay away from all those fatal conditions associated with excessive fat and bad health? Well, I'm sure you want to live a healthy life with a healthy metabolism while burning fat in as quickly as just 40 days. If you're thinking this is some kind of advertisement for a supplement, this is not. Soon you're going to learn this miracle mix is the easiest and simplest to make with ingredients that are super affordable and readily accessible at your local grocery store. You can now stop following those ridiculous diets where you're supposed to starve yourself to death. With this healthy and miraculous solution, you can start burning fat in a healthy way, which will also improve your immune system in the process. If you don't want to end up in the ER, you want to avoid cardiovascular diseases and are looking to get rid of hypertension, or simply want to prevent or cure countless horrible diseases such as gastric ulcer, arthritis, asthma, and even cancer, this is your chance to achieve all that with a simple, easy, and quick solution. This miracle mix of natural elixir and delicious smoothies will not just help you lose weight temporarily, but it will activate the fat-burning metabolism, optimizing your digestive system to the max. Moreover, it lowers your cholesterol level, saving you from possible risk of heart attack. All while doing that, it helps your body even more. It detoxifies your organs, especially your liver and your colon. Stop wishing for that dream body and start making it happen, because with this remedy, you'll see visible results within the first week of using it. Losing weight can save you from almost every disease on this earth, and you can get back to your healthy life right away. Don't jeopardize your health. It's the most important thing in your life. So don't wait. Act now before it's too late. This right there is a click to a life-saving option. Don't hesitate. Go for it. Don't miss this chance to become a slimmer, healthier, and happier version of yourself. If you act right now, I'll take money out of my own pocket and give you a whopping 60% off. Hurry up, because this discount you're seeing right now is only for today. So don't let the price go up and make that purchase now. And the good news, if you choose to buy this book now, you'll receive our free bonus, a Mediterranean recipe book. All of this at no risk for you. Remember, I'm going to back up everything I've said with an incredible 60 days money-back guarantee. Here's how it works. Just get the MiracleMix Remedy right now. Use the material. It's so easy to use and as close to done for you as humanly possible. See for yourself how easy it is to burn that belly fat and how good you're going to feel with a healthy body and mind. If you don't think the MiracleMix Remedy is worth at least double what you're paying today, just contact my customer service anytime in the next 60 days and you'll get every dime back as fast as we can. Now you might ask, why exactly am I being so generous? That's a very good question, and I've got two answers for you. The first is kind of selfish. After putting so much time and effort into creating this remedy and seeing how it changed my life and the life of my family forever, I want as many people as possible to use it to create the body you want and deserve so much. The second answer, it's because I want this for you. I want you to experience what it's like to look in the mirror and love what you see. To get compliments from random people on the street on how fit and healthy you are. And if I have to put myself out there a little bit just to help you, I'll gladly do just that. And all you have to do is click the button below now.